Duncan Newman here again with another Tuesday tip. We get asked all the time, what are replacement windows? Let me close this window and I'll come out and explain. So in California, most homes have stucco. Your existing window is installed underneath the stucco with a nailing fin that allows the waterproof barrier to do its job and not have your windows leak. A replacement window is designed with this Z-bar flange to go in and over your existing aluminum or wood steel frame. This covers the existing window frame so that we don't have to take it out, which eliminates the steps of ripping out all of your stucco, damaging the drywall, and starting from scratch. This takes about an hour per window, so you can go from whatever your existing situation is at the moment that might not be beautiful to a brand new, beautiful, finished window. And you get all the benefits of either a fiberglass or vinyl frame for insulating properties, dual pane glass unit, whatever look you would like, with grids, without grids, an array of colors, and there's no damage to your home. Thanks for listening. See you next time.